Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the FV101 Scorpion. So go ahead and get your clippers out and clip away the sprues. Just clipping away some of these small parts, these mud flaps here. Just clip the sprues from those. Alright, I'm taking this turret here and clipping away the sprues from that. You can see how I'm doing that. Now, the support plastic underneath the gun, you clip away like I'm showing here. Needs to clip away that. So that should be simple, and just like I showed, be very careful if you're working with an even smaller scale. And these two extra guns here as well, just clip just like I did the other one. Alright, and then you want to clip away the sprues and everything, and then clip away this plastic here that I'm showing you on these extra guns. Last but not least, just cut the little sprue here on this turret, and you should be done with your clippers at this point. Now we will start to glue the kit together. First of all, dry fit pieces. Try to fit it before you glue it. And then just put some glue, like I'm showing you there, and put the turret together. Up next, let's go ahead and put a little glue on the next turret. This one's just a little different, so pay attention to the details. And just go ahead and slide in the bottom part of that turret right there. Up next, go ahead and put a little glue in the front of this turret here. And then you choose which gun that you want. Comes with options. And then just put the gun there, and that should be good to go. Next, there's a smaller piece here, so pay attention carefully. Put a little glue there. And I'm actually going to take a little tweezers for this process and put that piece there.